Hi. Yeah, I haven't updated my channel for a while. I haven't posted any new videos. I've actually been quite busy over the last 12 months. So I've got a new webcam which I'm just trying out now. I'm going to get some new video editing software and hopefully make future videos a bit more professional than the old ones were. Uh, I've got a few ideas for topics we can go through, for things that we can do with the VBA code in Excel. So if there's anything in particular that you'd like to know, that you'd like me to go through, let me know in the comments. I'm also thinking of maybe putting a book together that just has different ways of writing code for different challenges that you might encounter. So if that's something you'd be interested in, let me know. Also, if it's not something you'd be interested in, let me know too. It's good to have some feedback. Anyway, this is just an update to let you know what's happening.